And that brings an end to today's proceedings here at the UN General Assembly Hall. I want to thank our distinguished speakers. Let's turn our attention now to hear from our first group of world leaders, heads of state and government from the Africa region. We will hear momentarily from the presidents of the Arab Republic of Egypt, the Republic of Kenya, the Republic of Malawi, and the Republic of Mozambique. But first, let's take a look at some future scenarios work from the UN Development Program, analysis that demonstrates the potential for significant SDG progress across the continent between now and 2030.
In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate, Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Antonio Guterres, it's a pleasure to speak to you today at today's meeting, which is coming at a crucial time for the world.